Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to be making a garlic bread grilled cheese. Yep, a garlic bread grilled cheese, but we're going to be using a basic garlic bread spread. So here I have 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes, dried parsley flakes. Here I have a teaspoon of oregano, dried oregano that is, and here I have a teaspoon and a half of garlic powder. And here I have a stick of butter, kind of melted but not too much. And this is exactly how you want it, so you can mix it up and it'll be a little easier to spread on the bread. And of course our cheese and the star of the show, the bread. You can't have garlic bread, grilled cheese without the bread. Okay, so we're gonna get started by mixing these ingredients together. You want to make sure your butter is soft. Okay, that's perfect. So I'm just going to dump these in there. No specific order. Okay. Wow, that smells amazing already. Just like garlic bread, as it should. Okay. That's looking perfect, but I want to make sure that the garlic is spread all through the mix. Oh, wow. That's okay. Okay, and this is what you want. Just like that. This consistency and this look. Okay, so let's get to spreading this spread on the bread. So you just want to take a little bit of it and smear it on just like that. And you're not gonna need to add any butter to your pan or your griddle, whatever you're gonna be using, because this is the butter mix. You don't want to have too much butter so it doesn't become soggy. Okay, so that looks about enough. That is beautiful. Look at that. That is gonna taste amazing. Wow. Okay. All right. So that's one down. Let's do another. So guys, I'm only going to be making 1 sandwich right now, but this mix you can definitely save to make another, or possibly mix it in some pasta, or actually make, you know, some actual garlic bread. Or you can save it. Okay. That looks about right. There we go. Okay, so my griddle is preheating right now. So let's get these slices of bread onto the griddle. The sound of goodness. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna let those go, and at the same time add that cheese. You can add whatever kind of cheese you like, but I'm using sharp cheese right now. Gonna let that go for a few until it's time to flip, and I'll be right back. It's about that time to flip one side over, and this is what you want it to look like. That looks so good. And the smell in here right now is crazy. So I'm gonna flip one side onto the other. Whoa. Ah. Almost had it. It's not bad though. Look at that. Look at that. Can't go wrong with that one. That is amazing. Let's see what this other side is looking like. I gotta let that side go a little more. Whoa. Okay, so when this is completely done, I will be right back. Okay, this other side should be done. And it is. Okay, so let me get this onto a plate and we're gonna cut this up and see what we're looking like on the inside. Okay, here we go. Let's cut into this. See what we got here. That looks amazing. Let's check that out before I cut it. Smells good, looks good. And I know it's gonna taste good. Look at that. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ah-ha-ha! Check that out. Did we do good or what? All right. So there you have it, guys. Grilled cheese made with garlic bread. Let's zoom in before I go. There we go. All right, guys. So comment, share, like, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another video, guys. Thanks for watching.